morning. So one thing that we suggest when in Vegas is to take a day tour to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam, which is what we're about to do. It's not even 7 a.m. and we are up and about. We've already been to CVS, got water and snacks. Stay hydrated. We're so excited. We've never seen the Grand Canyon. Let's go.
Welcome to the Grand Canyon.
Hey guys, so when in Vegas, like we said, make sure that you take a day tour to the Grand Canyon. We are here at the West Rim. You got the skywalk back here. Here's Eagle Point, so if you look at the pictures that V took, you'll see the eagle spreading its wings, and we're about to go explore.
Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know.
Hey y'all, so we are inside a Navajo Hogan, which is actually made using no modern tools, consisting of wood and mud. Look at that. It's very cool. Very cool. And you got a sunroof.
Am I out of my mind? Or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love. So just tell me if I'm wrong. But it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah! Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you.
Hey y'all, we are at the Grand Canyon. We're just in awe of how beautiful it is. We decided to just sit down, have a seat, reflect, and just enjoy this view. So we wanted to kind of share that with you.
It just makes you think of how small we are compared to the world and how beautiful the world is. Look at these views.
Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby.
The best thing about being here is when you watch the sun rise onto the canyon, it's like watching the sunset.
Thank you.
Alright y'all, that is all for our Grand Canyon West Rim tour. Please don't forget to like and subscribe by clicking the bell for notification. Also follow us on Instagram and Pinterest at KASVENTURES, and of course our blog at KASVENTURES.org. Until next time.